Hello everyone, welcome back to Lawful Living YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see the topic which is learning of law. So we will be covering legal English, the topics legal English and how to improve legal English. So this is mainly for law students. So this video is mainly for the law students. Firstly, we will be seeing about legal English, what is legal English and how to improve legal English, and what is legalese, and the 13 principles for effective legal writing. Okay, so these are the topics we are going to see now. So these are very small topics, so this video will end up in a short period of time. We'll start with firstly we'll start with legal English. What is legal English? We have studied the language called English, but what is legal English? So legal English is the language that is followed by the lawyers and advocates, the people who are in the field of law and legal. So this is the language which is specifically used by the legal professionals. Okay, so there are different languages used by different professionals, like doctors and nurses use the scientific, the biological English, whereas in the legal professionals use legal English, and the electricians, the engineers use different kind of English which is easier for them to use. So we use legal English, lawyers use legal English, law students use them. So what do we mean by that? So it is a specialized English used by legal professionals such as the lawyers, the law students, the advocates, the judges. Legal English has been referred as sub-language. So what is referred as sub-language? Legal English is referred as sub-language. Okay, a specialized use of certain terms and linguistic patterns governs the teaching of legal English. Legal language. We study legal language as a kind of second language. The lawyers and advocates study legal language as a kind of second language. So it is that very much important for them. A specialized use of vocabulary, phrases and syntax that helps us to communicate more easily with each other. So we use a different kind of phrases and vocabulary which is only useful and easy for the professionals, for the legal professionals. That helps us to communicate more easily with each other. Legal English differs from ordinary English. Lawyers tend to speak and write with unique terms and idioms. One wrong word contains entire meaning of legal documents. So, of course, legal English differs from ordinary English. So lawyers, they used to speak and write with unique terms and idioms because it will be easier than the ordinary English. Next, we'll come to how to improve legal English. How to improve legal English? Firstly, we have read a judgment daily. We have a lot of judgments going on in our day-to-day basis. Reading at least one judgment daily, it helps us in improving legal English. Second, you can use Supreme Court's website. We have Supreme Court's website as well as application which is Live Law and Manu Mantra to read judgments of cases. So they provide certain important judgments of the cases which is updated daily. We can also read it. Next, always keep a notebook with you in the court of law. Whenever you visit the court, always keep a notebook and a pen with you to write down what is going around you, etc. Fourth one, watch arguments of senior advocates. Watching the arguments of the senior advocates helps us to improve confidence and we'll get to know what is going on. Read English newspapers and old petitions. Reading English newspapers and old petition helps us in getting more knowledge about history and other day-to-day affairs. Be confident. It is very, very important and crucial for any law student to be confident in any situation. Seventh, legal English is considered difficult to understand even for well-educated because of its linguistic features. So as legal English is even difficult to understand for well-educated because it has linguistic features to it. Next one is legalese. What is legalese? The language by lawyers is legal. The language by lawyers in legal document makes it difficult for ordinary people to understand. Only the legal professionals can understand the documents. That is known as legalese. Next, we'll come to the principles of legal writing. We have 13 principles of legal writing. One second. So how to write like a legal professional. First, we have short sentences for complex thoughts. When we have very complicated thoughts, when we have very complicated situation going on, short sentences helps to understand the situation. Next one, active voice verbs. To give importance to the person who is doing the action, only use active voice in legal language. So it is important to use only active voice, not passive voice, only active voice in the legal language. Third, get rid of all unnecessary words. Do not use any very a lot of words fit in a simple form of sentence. Make it simple. Get rid of all unnecessary words. Fourth, don't overuse legal phrases. Do not do not use a lot of legal phrases in one sentence or in one paragraph. Split it and make it simple. Fifth one, avoid abstract language. Avoid abstract language and ambiguity. What is ambiguity? Which is confusing words. The language that we are using should be understandable to everyone who is reading. It should be readable, okay? And we should not also use very confusing words. Everyone should understand what we are writing. Sixth one is punctuation marks. We should use the punctuation marks in the necessary places, okay? Seventh, be clear about the purpose of writing. We should be clear about what we are writing, and we should be clear about what we are writing, what is the subject of what is the subject we are writing. We should be conscious about our writing. Eighth, take care of your readers. We should be the thing we are writing, it should be readers friendly. The readers must understand what we are writing. Ninth, proofread your text. So every time we write something, we should read the text on our own. Every time we finish one para or the whole text, it helps us in avoiding mistakes and improving our text. 10th, avoid nominalization. 11th, stick to chronological order. So if we follow any such order of writing, we should follow the same order till the end. We should not confuse in the middle, okay? 12th is document formatting. The text should be formatted to document. 13th, test the understanding. Test the understanding. So that is all, guys, for today. This is the topics that I wanted to cover today. So we have covered what is legal English, how to improve legal English, and principles of legal writing, and what is legalese. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If any of your friends need these type of videos, please share them and support the channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye.